In this video, we are going to change our desktop wallpaper, which is the picture that appears on your computer, and how to change your taskbar. First, we are going to change our wallpaper. What you do is in your search bar down here, you need to type up settings and click enter. Then a document app thing like this will come up. What you have to do is click personalization. It will look something like this. What you do is you have to make sure that underneath background it says picture. If not, you click on this box and click picture. Then you click browse. To choose your picture, you have to make sure that your picture is saved somewhere on your computer. So if I would like to have this picture as my background, I click on it and a blue rectangle will appear around it. Then I choose the picture by clicking choose picture. If you minimize this, you will see that your background color / picture has changed. So now what we are going to do is move our taskbar, which is this bar down the bottom. What you can do is drag it, but sometimes that doesn't work. So what you do, you right click on it and click lock the taskbar. Now you hold down with your left click button on the taskbar and drag it across. You can put it anywhere. So I could put it here, up here, could put it over here, or down here. You can pretty much put it in anywhere. So that is how to change your desktop picture and move your taskbar.